Good morning friends. Today we will discuss indefinite integration question number 31 to 45. Now see question number 31, integration dx by 1 plus cos x plus sin x. Integration dx by 1 plus cos x plus sin x. See here, this type of problems we are applying here. Tan x by 2 equal to t. Tan x by 2 equal to t. Which type of problems? Integration dx by a plus b cos x plus c sin x, or integration dx by a plus b cos x, or integration dx by a plus b sin x. This type of problems we are taking tan x by 2 equal to t. From that we are getting dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Next cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. These are all values substituted here. Dx equal to what is 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 1 plus cos x value is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square. In numerator and denominator take LCM 1 plus t square. Numerator value is 2 dt by, in denominator 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square plus 2t equal to integration 2 dt by, here plus t square minus t square cancel, 2 plus 2t. Here we can eliminate 2. Integration dt by 1 plus t equal to log 1 plus t, log 1 plus t plus c equal to log mod 1 plus tan x by 2 plus c. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 32, integration tan power 5 theta d theta equal to, see here we have one formula here. If in equal to integration tan power nx dx, then in equal to tan power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. So here we are applying that formula. It is I5. I5 equal to tan power 4 theta by 4 minus I3. That is equal to tan power 4 theta by 4 minus I3 means again apply that formula, minus of tan square theta by 2 minus I1 equal to tan power 4 theta by 4 minus tan square theta by 2 plus I1 means it is integration of tan theta, one time integration, equal to tan power 4 theta by 4 minus tan square theta by 2 plus integration tan theta value log mod secant theta plus c. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 33, integration cosecant power 4x, integration cosecant power 4x dx. See here, cosecant power 4x value can write cosecant square x into cosecant square x dx. See here, 1 cosecant square x value, write 1 plus cot square x, 1 plus cot square x into cosecant square x dx. Now take here cot x equal to t, cot x equal to t. Cot x derivative is minus cosecant square x dx equal to dt. Now see here, it is equal to integration 1 plus t square into cosecant square x dx value is minus dt. So it is minus of 1 integration is t plus t square integration is t cube by 3 plus c. Now what is the t value? It is cot x minus cot cube x by 3 plus C. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 34. Integration f of x into sin x into cos x dx, sin x into cos x dx equal to 1 by 2 into b square minus a square into log f of x plus c. Then f of x equal to, see here, left side integration is there, right side on function is there. So take the derivative on both sides. Then integration will be cancelled. It is f of x into sin x into cos x equal to 1 by 2 into b square minus a square log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into f dash x plus 0. 2 sin x cos x equal to 1 by b square minus a square into f dash x by f of x whole square. Here 2 sin x cos x value is sin 2x. Take integration on both sides. Integration sin 2x dx equal to 1 by b square minus a square integration f dash x by f of x whole square dx. Sin 2x integration is minus cos 2x by 2 equal to 1 by b square minus a square into, observe here, if you are taking f of x equal to t, f of x derivative is f dash x. It is in the form of 1 by t square. 1 by t square integration is minus 1 by t. So minus 1 by f of x. Then f of x equal to 2 by b square minus a square into cos 2x. So option 4 is the correct answer. 35. Integration e power x into sin x plus cos x by 1 minus sin square x dx. See here, 1 minus sin square x value can write cos square x dx equal to, separate two parts, e power x into sin x by cos square x plus cos x by cos square x dx. Now see here, integration e power x into sin x by cos x value is tan x into 1 by cos x value is secant x plus 1 cos x cancel, 1 by cos x is secant x dx. Now see here, e power x into tan x into secant x plus secant x dx. See here, secant x is here f of x, secant x tan x is f dash x, secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. So we can apply the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x. So it is e power x into secant x plus c. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 36. Integration cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square dx. 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square dx. Take I equal to. So you observe here, this is the formula for 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x dx. 2 tan inverse x dx. Here we are applying uv formula. Tan inverse x is u, 2 is v. See here, tan inverse x into 2 integration 2x minus integration tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square into 2 integration 2x dx. It is equal to 2x tan inverse x, 2x tan inverse x minus, it is 2x by 1 plus x square, f dash x by f of x dx. It is log mod f of x. So log mod 1 plus x square plus c. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 37. If n belongs to capital N and In equal to integration log x whole power n dx, then In plus n into In minus 1 equal to, see here it is equal to, we are applying UV formula. U is take log x whole power n into V value take dx. Log x whole power n is u and 1 is v. This is u, this is v. Now apply UV formula, UV integration. See here log x whole power n into 1 integration is x minus integration log x whole power n derivative n into log x whole power n minus 1 into 1 by x dx equal to x into log x whole power n. You can observe the option x into log x whole power n, only one option is there. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 38. Integration cos power n minus 1 into x by sin power n plus 1x. So here take I equal to integration cos power n minus 1 x by sin power n plus 1x value sin power n minus 1 x into 1 by sin square x, we can write dx. You can observe here cos by sin is cot power n minus 1 x into cosecant square x dx. Now take here cot x equal to t. Cot x equal to t minus cosine square x dx value is dt. See here take cot x equal to t minus cosecant square x dx equal to dt. Now see here substitute these values. Integration t power n minus 1 into minus dt. T power n minus 1 integration is t power n by n plus c. It is minus cot power nx by n plus c. So here which option is the correct? It is third option is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 39. Integration x minus 1 into e power x. Integration x minus 1 into e power x by x plus 1 whole cube dx. When it is the e power x is there, we separate two parts. See here I equal to integration x minus 1 value can write in terms of x plus 1. We can write x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube into e power x dx. Now separate two parts. X plus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube, 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube into e power x dx. Here also we are applying the same formula, e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Here it is f of x equal to 1 by x plus 1 whole square. This is f dash x. 1 by x square derivative is minus 2 by x square. So final answer is e power x into 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 40. Integration sin 2x by sin square x plus 2 cos square x dx equal to. See here I equal to integration sin 2x by. Now I am taking sin square x value is 1 minus cos square x plus 2 cos square x dx. It is integration sin 2x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now take 1 plus cos square x equal to t. 1 plus cos square x equal to t. What is the cos square 1 plus cos square x derivative? 2 cos x into minus sin x dx equal to dt. It is minus sin 2x dx equal to dt. It is integration minus dt by t. It is minus log mod t plus c equal to minus log 1 plus cos square x plus c. So option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 41. Integration 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2. Integration 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. So it is equal to 1 by, here we can write x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1 dx. So 2 I am splitting 1 plus 1. Integration 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 dx. What is the formula? Integration 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So it is equal to tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 42. If linear function f of x and g of x satisfies integration 3x minus 1 into cos x plus 1 minus 2x into sin x dx. Here I am not applying regular uv formula. I am applying a small trick here. This is I am taking u. This is I am taking v. Here also two parts are there. This is u and this is v. Two separate parts. Here see here 3x minus 1 into 3x minus 1 into cos x integration sin x. Alternate terms plus minus. Already we discussed some problems. 3x minus 1 derivative 3 into sin x integration is minus cos x. Again 3 derivative 0. So we can stop here. Next second part 1 minus 2x into sin x integration is minus cos x. Sin x integration is minus cos x minus 1 minus 2x derivative is minus 2 into minus cos x integration is minus sin x. Now see here, where is the sin x is there? Here sin x are there. So sin x term take common. It is equal to 3x minus 1 minus into minus plus plus into minus 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 2 into sin x plus next cos x terms 3 minus 1 plus 2x into cos x. See here, it is 3x minus 3 into sin x. 3x minus 3 into sin x value, g of x into sin x. So this is g of x. This is g of x. G of x option is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 43. Integration sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 plus cos x dx. See here, integration sin square x value you can write 1 minus cos square x. Denominator 1 plus cos x dx. Now see here, 1 minus cos square x value you can write 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. Denominator value is 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x cancel. What is the remaining here? 1 minus cos x dx. 1 integration is x minus cos x integration is sin x plus c. So final answer is x minus sin x plus c. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 44. Integration 1 by x square into x power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4 dx. Here this type of problems, see here, what is the by 4 is there, radical 1 by 4. Here so take x power 4, take common. It is equal to integration 1 by x square into, see here x power 4 if you are taking common, x power 4 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4 dx equal to integration dx by x square into x cube into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. It is equal to integration dx by x power 5 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Now take 1 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to t. It is minus 4 into x power minus 4 minus 1 dx equal to dt. It is 1 by x power 5 dx equal to dt by minus 4. Therefore, I equal to integration dx by x power 5 value is dt by minus 4 by t power 3 by 4. It is equal to t power 3 1 by t power 3 by 4 and t power minus 3 by 4. T power minus 3 by 4 integration is t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. Here already minus 1 by 4 is there. So minus 3 by 4 plus 1 1 by 4. 1 by 4 1 by 4 cancel. Minus is remaining. So it is t power 1 by 4. What is the t value here? 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. If I take LCM here, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. It is equal to minus of x power 4 plus 1 whole power 1 by 4 by x. So, which option is correct? Option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 45. Integration e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx equal to f of x. Then f of x equal to. Here take I equal to separate two parts. Integration e power x into 1 by 1 plus cos x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx equal to integration e power x into 1 by 1 plus cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x formula is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 1 plus cos x value is 2 cos square x by 2 dx equal to integration e power x into 1 by 2 into 1 by cos square x by 2 value is secant square x by 2 plus here 2 cancel, 1 cos x cancel, sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Here also we are applying the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Here tan x by 2 derivative is secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2. So tan x by 2 is f of x. 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2 is f dash x. So it is e power x into f of x plus c. E power x into f of x value is tan x by 2. E power x into tan x by 2 plus c. So